Welcome to the Destination Perfect channel. Today, we're exploring Lublin, Poland, a city bursting with history, charm, and surprises at every turn. From medieval castles to vibrant street life, Lublin is a place where every corner tells a story. Get ready to discover 14 must-visit spots that will make you fall in love with this hidden gem. Let's dive in. We make our way to the iconic Lublin Castle, a symbol of resilience and history that has watched over the city for centuries. This 13th century fortress is more than just a landmark. It's the heart of Lublin's story, its ancient stone walls echoing with tales of kings, prisoners, and everyday people who shaped the city's destiny. Step inside and you'll discover the breathtaking Holy Trinity Chapel, renowned for its vibrant Russo-Byzantine frescoes that cover every inch of the walls and ceiling, telling stories in color and light. The castle also houses a fascinating museum packed with local treasures, artifacts, and exhibits that reveal the rich tapestry of Lublin's past, from medieval times to the present day. For those who climb the ancient keep, a reward awaits, sweeping panoramic views of the old town's red rooftops, winding streets, and the elegant spires of historic churches rising above the cityscape. Lublin Castle welcomes you with open arms, inviting you to step into its story. Let's see what wonders await us next. Step into Lublin's old town, and it's like walking through a living painting. Cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and intricate details make every stroll a delight. The old town buzzes with life. Musicians, kids playing, locals chatting from open windows. Lose yourself in winding alleys and stumble upon hidden courtyards and cozy cafes. It's authentic, vibrant, and full of surprises. Here, every moment feels like a discovery. Lublin's old town is pure magic. Next, we pause at the Majdanek State Museum, a site that stands as a solemn witness to one of history's darkest chapters. Once a concentration camp on the edge of Lublin, Majdanek's haunting presence is a stark reminder of the atrocities committed during World War II. Walking through the preserved barracks and gas chambers, visitors are confronted with the chilling reality of what took place here. The memorials and plaques scattered throughout the grounds serve as powerful symbols, ensuring that the memory of the Holocaust endures for generations to come. What's especially striking is Majdanek's proximity to the city, its barbed wire fences and watchtowers visible from everyday life, a chilling reminder that such horrors unfolded so close to ordinary existence. As you walk these grounds, you're not just visiting a historical site, you're participating in an act of remembrance, honoring the victims and reflecting on the importance of human dignity. Educational tours and exhibits at Majdanek help us understand the past, teaching new generations why we must never allow such tragedies to be repeated. By honoring the past at Majdanek, we commit ourselves to building a future rooted in remembrance, compassion, and the enduring pursuit of peace. Back in the city center, Krakowskie Przedmieście pulses with energy. This lively pedestrian street is lined with elegant buildings, bustling cafes, and street performers. It's where Lublin comes alive. Students, families, and visitors all mingling. Grab a coffee, people watch, and soak in the city's modern, vibrant spirit. Here, history and progress blend seamlessly. It's the perfect spot to recharge and feel the city's heartbeat. Let's keep exploring. If you're searching for the most spectacular view in Lublin, there's no better place than the iconic Trinity Tower. Its striking silhouette rises above the city, inviting visitors to discover what lies at the top. Climbing all 207 steps may sound daunting, but every step brings you closer to a breathtaking panorama. From the summit, you'll see the castle, the winding streets of the old town, lush parks, and the city stretching out to the horizon. The ascent is an adventure in itself, spiraling staircases, ancient bells echoing with history, and narrow stone corridors that whisper stories of centuries past. Reaching the top, you're rewarded with a sweeping 360-degree view. The city unfolds beneath you, connecting all the places we've explored and revealing new corners to discover. It's the perfect moment to pause, breathe in the fresh air, and truly appreciate Lublin's unique charm from above. From this vantage point, the city's story comes together, its history, culture, and vibrant life, all visible in a single, unforgettable view. With memories of the view in mind, we continue our journey to the next stop. The Lublin Open Air Village Museum transports you to rural Poland, without leaving the city. Historic wooden houses, windmills, and workshops recreate village life from centuries past. Watch artisans at work and step inside beautifully preserved cottages. It's a hands-on way to connect with the region's roots and traditions. Peaceful, authentic, and full of charm, it's a true hidden gem. A perfect escape from the city buzz. Need a break? Step into the Dominican monastery, the Basilica of St. Stanislaus. Inside, Gothic and Renaissance architecture create a serene, awe-inspiring space. The famous Fire of Lublin painting ties art to local history. Sit quietly, reflect, and feel centuries of contemplation in the air. It's a spiritual anchor in the city's heart. Sometimes the best adventures are the quiet ones. Grodzka Gate is more than a passage, it's a bridge to Lublin's Jewish heritage. Once the link between Christian and Jewish quarters, today it houses the NN Theatre, preserving stories of the lost Jewish community. Explore archives, photographs, and a model of the pre-war district. It's a moving tribute to memory and resilience. Here, history lives on through stories and culture. Grodzka Gate is a gateway to understanding. Saxon Garden is Lublin's lush 19th century park, a perfect place to unwind. Stroll winding paths, relax by the pond, or enjoy a concert at the bandstand. Locals gather here for picnics, reading, and simple pleasures. It's a democratic space, open to all. The garden is a breath of fresh air in the city. Sometimes nature is the best backdrop for city life. The Center for the Meeting of Cultures, CSK, is Lublin's creative heart. This modern architectural marvel blends old and new, built around an unfinished theatre. Inside, you'll find theatres, galleries, cinemas, and a rooftop garden with city views. It's a hub for art, music, and dialogue, a true meeting place for cultures. The rooftop garden is a highlight, merging green space with urban energy. CSK symbolizes Lublin's forward-thinking spirit. It's where tradition and innovation meet. Ready for adventure? Head underground to the Lublin Underground Trail. Explore centuries-old cellars and tunnels beneath the Old Town Market Square. Multimedia exhibits bring history to life, especially the dramatic Great Fire of 1719. It's mysterious, immersive, and a whole new perspective on the city. Discover the hidden layers beneath Lublin's surface. History is everywhere, even below your feet. Plac Litewski, or Lithuanian Square, is Lublin's modern gathering place. By day, it's perfect for relaxing. By night, the multimedia fountains put on a dazzling show. Monuments and history blend with lively crowds and celebration. It's where the city comes together to reflect, celebrate, and connect. The square captures Lublin's spirit, historic yet vibrant. It's the city's living room, open to all. St. John's Cathedral is a Baroque wonder. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. Gilded altars, illusionistic frescoes, and intricate carvings create a breathtaking interior. The acoustic sacristy and the treasury are hidden gems within. Every detail is a testament to artistry and faith. It's more than a church, it's a living museum of Baroque art. Let the beauty lift your spirit. This is Lublin at its most dazzling. End your journey at the Botanical Garden of Maria Curie Skłodowska University. Wander through themed gardens, from towering trees to vibrant roses and tropical greenhouses. The Polish flora section showcases native plants in a tranquil setting. It's a peaceful retreat, perfect for reflection after a day of exploring. The garden is a living library of nature's wonders. the perfect farewell to Lublin. 14 unforgettable stops. Lublin has truly captured my heart. From castles to cafes, memorials to gardens, this city is full of stories and surprises. I hope you're inspired to visit and discover your own favorite spots. Share your thoughts and hidden gems in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, see you on the next journey.